And it's carburetor cleaning time on this Murray push mower here. We're going to be using the AMSOIL Power Foam. I'm Officer Oil. When I'm not fighting crime, Scotland, we are fighting friction. That's right. So let's get this thing warmed up. Yep, say hi, and the dog's helping. Let's get this thing warmed up, and we'll get it foamed out.
Yeah.
All right, hold on to it. Let's fire it up. There we go. I got my sock on here to hold it, an old sock. So here we go. We're going to spray the power foam right into the carburetor. Right in there. All right, conked it out, gave it a couple shots of it, and then we'll start our watch, let it sit for a few minutes. So no more than 15 minutes, but sometimes 5, sometimes 10, and we'll let that foam get in there and clean everything up. Right, Scotland?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes. Good job.
Hi.
So the power foam is in there working its magic. It's cleaning all that gum, varnish, those deposits, anything that air is touching. So it's a great way to clean the carburetor without taking it apart, especially if it's running but running poorly. Obviously, sometimes if it's not running at all, you're probably going to have to take it off and clean it. But keep it clean with this. It's just a great thing to do. I hit all my small engines typically once a year with this, just to clean it, put it away for the season, and just preventative maintenance is the best kind of maintenance. So this is safe for 2-strokes, 4-stroke engines. Don't put it in a diesel, bad day in a diesel, but just it's going to restore all that startability, horsepower, torque, get that thing running the way it was when it was new, because chances are with ethanol fuel and bad fuel and poor maintenance and dust and dirt and gum and varnish, there's a good chance that this can really help with that. So this is like a tune-up in a can. I love this. I've turned check engine lights off with it in cars before, and just significantly improved performance, fuel economy, all the above with this, but great for those small engines. So it's been about 10 minutes. Let's fire it up, smoke it out. So it's all cleaned up and it's running great. Thank you to AMSOIL Power Foam. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer like me here and you'd like to save 25%, click on the link below, join our preferred customer program, where you'll get 25% off your AMSOIL order. They'll drop ship it right to your doorstep. A lot of other great perks. By clicking on my link, it really helps support me, or by going through my website, officeroil.com, that helps support the family. AMSOIL is what I do to support the family outside of police work. But thank you. Please comment below, or anything else if you've had some success with Power Foam, what you thought of it. Maybe you didn't like it. I'd like to hear from you as well. But love to hear, love those comments. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Prost!